Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would be creating this makeup look that I am currently wearing on my face. This is not just a simple makeup look. This is actually a video where I would be telling you guys how to do your base makeup if you have acne prone skin or a few pimples on your face. So if you're interested in knowing how I created this look covering the pimples that I have on my face, then keep on watching. So welcome to my bare skin. So as now you can see that I have a few pimples on my face. I have two right here on my forehead, one here, a big one on my nose. I have one pimple here and one somewhere here. I usually do not have so many pimples altogether, but maybe it's the season or maybe it is due to a new skincare product that I'm trying. But yes, this does happen sometimes. I do have a very sensitive skin, but I do not have a acne prone skin. Like I do not get a lot of acne around my cheeks. I just usually get it around my T-zone, and that is where you can see the majority of my pimples peeking from my face. The biggest one I have right now is here. So today we'll be doing a makeup together and would be trying to cover these pimples that I have on my face. So I have already cleaned my face, toned my face and everything. I haven't applied any serum because that might be something that is giving me this pimply situation. So I have not applied any serum. I would just directly go into my moisturizer, which is by Dot & Key, and I would just apply it on my face. I have a combination skin because of which, like, my T-zone is super oily, but other parts of my face are pretty dry. So if I do not apply a moisturizer, my face tends to become a little flaky. If you have an acne prone skin or do have pimples like I have, you do not actually need to worry a lot. All you need is a couple of extra steps while doing your base makeup. So now I have applied my moisturizer and it is almost completely absorbed by my skin now. Now I would be using a color correcting concealer for my face. I would be using this green concealer by K Beauty. Now as far as the color correcting concealers or primers that they have now, as far as these are concerned, I just have the color green with me because green is something that is used to cancel out the redness on your face. And when you have pimples or acne, redness is something that peeks through your makeup, and that is something you would like to hide. So I would be using this green concealer from K Beauty and just apply it wherever I have these pimples. So I'll just apply it very lightly. I'm not blending anything right now. I'll just apply it on each and every spot that I think is little red and it needs to be covered. So okay, so these were all the areas that I have pimples on, and now I would just give it a couple of seconds to dry it a little bit, and then I would not take my beauty blender. I would just blend this thing from the edges using my finger. I do not want this green to peek through, but I do not even want this color to completely vanish. Now if you will be worried that this green might look awkward, it would completely be hidden when you will actually use your regular concealer, and that is what I would be using now. For my concealer, I would be using this Fit Me concealer by Maybelline, and I am using the shade 25 medium. Now I usually apply this concealer only around my eye area, but because I need to cover this situation right here on my face, so that is the reason I am applying this on all the places that I have this green concealer on. You can go with this concealer directly on your spots, but again I would suggest using a green concealer because this might not give you the coverage that you would desire. So green would be a very good option to cancel out all the redness that you might have on your skin. Now I'll just blend this in the same manner around the edges using my fingers. Okay, now once done, you can already see a difference in the before and after. You can't actually see my pimples right now, but of course you can see the concealer right now. Now to cover everything up and make the skin completely flawless, I would be using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I am in the shade 128 Warm Nude. This is the foundation I use almost like every single time when I do my makeup. So this is the one that I would be using. This is like a medium coverage foundation. If you have a lot of acne, you might say that applying a high coverage foundation would be a better option, but in my opinion, if you apply a very high coverage foundation, then it might irritate your acne a little further. So I prefer applying concealer to hide the acne and then apply the medium coverage foundation. So I'll just dot this foundation on my face like I usually do. I'll just apply a little bit on my neck as well, and then with the help of a beauty sponge, I'll just blend the foundation the way I usually do. Just make sure that you blend it with a very light hand so that the acne spots do not get disturbed a lot. You do not want the concealer that you applied on your acne to move around. So yes, do it with a very light hand. Now I'll again take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and apply it around my eye area like I usually do, and blend it again using my sponge. Okay, so once the foundation and concealer are done, this is how the face looks like. Do not mind, it might look a little weird right now because all I have on my face is just like foundation and concealer, and my face do need a little bit of color right now. But after doing everything, you can see that the pimples that were visible earlier are not visible right now. If you look up close, you might be able to see the bumps where I had my pimples, but you honestly cannot hide the texture or the bump using any kind of makeup. All you can do is hide the redness that particular acne or pimple is giving to you. Now to give my face a little bit of color, I would be using my bronzer, and the bronzer that I have is from NARS and it is their Laguna bronzer. I'll just take a little bit of the bronzer on my flat brush and just apply it on my face. If you have an acne prone skin, I would just suggest using powder products as compared to cream products, because the cream products might accentuate the texture situation that is there on your skin, and powder products would not do that so much. Now I'll try to just contour my nose a little bit, not too much because I do have a very big red pimple right here, so I'll just do it with a very light hand. So yes, after applying the bronzer, you can see a little bit of color on my face and it does look a little bit better. Now for my blush, I would be using this K-Beauty blusher in the shade Sugar Candy, and I'll just take a little bit of blush on my brush and just apply it. I am applying every product with a very light hand because I do not want to disturb my base. I would also setting my concealer underneath my eye, and for that I am using this compact powder by Faces Canada, and taking the sponge which comes with it, I am just applying a little bit of powder underneath my eyes. As I said, I do not have an oily skin and I do not actually need a lot of powder right now. But if you do have an oily skin, powder all the sections of your face and not just the under eye area. Now to complete my base makeup, all I have to do is apply a little bit of highlighter, and for that I am again using this beautiful highlighter by K-Beauty, and it is in the shade Rosy Dew. I would take a little bit of the highlighter on my brush and just apply it on my face. So yes, this is how the base makeup looks like when completely done. So this is the before and this is the after of how I look in just the base makeup. Now I'll just quickly go off the camera, complete the rest of my makeup, and I would be right back. Okay, so I have completely done my makeup. I have done a very basic makeup, a very light pink eye with some mascara and a lipstick on my face, and this is how the final face looks like. So if you have acne prone skin, or if you're having trouble with pimples, you just have to add a couple of steps in your makeup routine. Just apply some extra concealer on your pimple. If you have a green concealer, then it's really good. Else just go for a normal concealer, apply it on your like marks, and just let it dry before blending it a little, and then apply a full face of makeup that you usually do, avoiding the cream products or any glowy sort of a base. And this is how the makeup would turn out. I hope you will find this video informative. If you like today's video, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see more such videos on my channel, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.